Hello guys, it is me back with another video on FMG question, and today I am going to explain the arterial supply of the upper limb. So let us begin. As always, I have got a question for you guys. Common interosseous artery is a branch of brachial artery, um, radial artery, ulnar artery, and the profunda brachial artery. Pause and try to answer this question. So I will provide you the summary of the arterial supply of the upper limb. So first we have the axillary artery. So axillary artery, it has three branches, as in it is divided into three parts with the help of the pectoralis minor muscle. So the first branch gives off the superior thoracic artery. Second branch gives off the lateral thoracic artery and the thoracoabdominal trunk. And the third branch gives the anterior and posterior humeral circumflex artery and the subscapular artery. Okay. Now, coming to the brachial artery. So, brachial artery has in total 8 branches. First is the profunda brachial artery. Okay, this is the arteria profunda brachial. Okay, then we have the nuclear artery to the humerus, which is not shown in this diagram. Then we have the superior ulnar collateral artery. This is the superior ulnar collateral artery. Okay, then we have the middle ulnar collateral artery, which is again not shown in this diagram. Then inferior ulnar collateral artery. This is the inferior ulnar collateral artery. Then we have the deltoid artery, which is again not shown in this diagram. Then we have the two branches of the brachial artery at the cubital fossa, which are the ulnar and the ra- and the radial artery. Okay. Now, let us talk about the radial artery. So this artery is in total 7 branches, of which first is the radial recurrent artery, which is again not shown in this diagram. Okay. Then muscular branches as in the all posterior compartment of the forearm. Okay. Now the palmar and the dorsal carpal branch. Palmar, which it means the anterior, and dorsal means the posterior carpal branch. Superficial and deep palmar branch is also the branch of the radial artery. Then the first dorsal metacarpal branch. Then princeps pollicis artery and the radialis indexus artery. Okay, so you can see in this diagram this is the princeps pollicis radial artery. Okay, and this is the radial artery of the index finger. Okay, and this is the princess pollicis artery. Okay, now coming to the ulnar artery. So ulnar artery has only 4 branches: anterior and posterior ulnar recurrent artery. You can see in this diagram, this is the anterior ulnar recurrent artery, and this is the posterior ulnar recurrent artery. Okay, these two arteries, they participate in the anastomosis around the elbow, and these two arteries are very important. Okay, now the common interosseous artery. Common interosseous. What do we mean by the interosseous? So interosseous, it means that pierces the interosseous membrane between the radius and the ulnar bone. Okay. So common interosseous artery. This is also the branch of the ulnar artery. Okay. You can see in the diagram. This is the interosseous. No, not this one. Wait. Yeah. This is the interosseous artery. Okay. And this interosseous artery again divides into the anterior and the posterior interosseous artery, which is not shown in this diagram. Okay. Now palmar and dorsal carpal branch. Okay, these are also the branches of the ulnar artery, and we have last one is the deep palmar branch. Okay. Now here comes the interesting part. So superficial palmar arch is formed medially via the direct continuation of the ulnar artery and laterally via the superficial branch of the radial artery. Okay, and it supplies four it supplies the four radial artery, mainly the first middle side of the uh, small finger, and second, third, fourth common palmar digital arteries. Okay, and four digital branches arise from this palmar arch that supplies the medial or ulnar three half of fingers. Okay, so as you can see in this diagram, this is the superficial palmar arch. Okay, fine. So see this see it gives 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, four common palmar four digital arteries, and it also supplies the medial three half. Okay, medial three half. This is the medial side. Okay, fine. This is the medial three half of the fingers of the hand. Okay, or the ulnar side of the hand. Okay. Now, deep palmar arch is formed via the deep branch of the ulnar artery, and laterally by the direct continuation of the uh, radial artery. Okay. So, and it supplies the deep palmar arch supplies the thumb, and the lateral side of the index finger. Okay. So yeah. So this is the deep palmar arch. Okay. And here you can see this is the thumb, and this is the index finger. Okay. So it supplies the thumb and the lateral side of the index finger, and it also supplies the joints and all the metacarpophalangeal joints. Okay. Now I am sure that you can answer this question. So common interstitial artery is a branch of, what is the answer, guys? Is it radial artery? Is it brachial artery, or is it ulnar artery, or is it a profunda brachial artery? I am sure that you have the right answer. It is the ulnar artery. Okay, guys. So yeah, thank you guys, and bye.